Kenya's shilling weakened to its lowest level in 3 months on Tuesday after the central bank said it will buy 100 million from commercial banks every month between March and June to boost its reserves. Dennis Otieno reports.
The shilling has been one of the most stable frontier currencies this year, but traders said the announcement by the central bank could signal increased demand for dollars, leading to volatility in the exchange rate. Commercial banks quoted the shilling at 102 shillings per dollar, its lowest since early December, and down from 101 shillings 35 cents at the opening of the market on Tuesday. In a statement, the central bank said the move was necessary to bolster its preparedness to deal with heightened global volatility and uncertainties. The bank has bought dollars in the past through open market operations, but it does not usually disclose the target amount or any other details. The intervention by the regulators, however, elicited mixed reactions from market observers in the country. Some analysts agree that the shilling will at some point come under pressure, and it's therefore wise for CBK to begin building the reserves as early as possible. Others, however, say since there will be great demand for the dollar, the move might put unnecessary pressure on the shilling, which has been relatively stable for a better part of this year. Observers, however, rule out any correlation with the coronavirus acting as a determining factor for central bank's move. Dennis Otieno, Citizen TV.